Do you want your snake plant to grow faster than a caffeine addiction, ready to turn that orchid green stick in a pot into a majestic leafy jungle beast? You're in luck, plant fam, because today I'm dropping 5 tips to grow your snake plant 3 times faster without selling your soul to the plant goddess. Watch it to the end for a bonus tip. You gotta wash your snake plant leaves. Is this your snake plant covered in dust, gasping, struggling, judging silently and thinking, seriously, you let me live like this? Wipe those leaves like you're polishing the headlights of your car. Gently, lovingly, and maybe whisper compliments just like this. Surely, my love, your leaves are shinier than my crystal ball. I foresee in the future you will thrive and take over my home. Clean leaves equals plant can photosynthesize like nobody is watching, which equals to more energy produced by the plant, which equals lots of new healthy growth. Bye soggy soil. It's soil cocktail time. You want a mix that drains faster than my patients waiting in a long queue. Go for 40% cactus mix, 40% potting mix, 10% sand, and 10% perlite or pumice. Don't have all that? No shame. Grab a cactus mix or plant it in sand alone. Your plant doesn't care about perfection. It just wants dry feet and emotional stability. Don't drown your snake plant. Snake plants don't want to drown in water. It's a succulent, not a fish. Water only when the soil is a Sahara level dry. Soil is cracking dry. Overwatering equals root rot, which equals leafy funeral. Don't be a plant murderer. Be the plant hero you're born to be. Warmth and patience equals leafy love. Snake plants are chill plants, but they're not Elsa from Frozen. Anything below 50 Fahrenheit, which is about 10 degrees, and they will stop growing, throw shade, and possibly plot revenge. Don't leave them to freeze in a drafty hallway like it's the Titanic. They're plants, not Jack and Rose. Move them away from the air conditioners and don't let the leaves touch the window. Overnight, the window can freeze in the cold winter. This can cause frost damage on the leaves. Just like humans, we don't want frost-bitten fingers. And same, our plants, they don't want frost-bitten leaves. Plant catfishing 101. Want a fake fast growth? Group a few snake plants together in a pot. Bam! Instant jungle vibes. Your friends won't know if you're a genius gardener or a sneaky trickster. Either way, you win. You have a more full and lush plant, and the bonus is less time required to care for your plant, which equals less plant babysitting and more you time. Disclaimer, no snake plants were harmed in the making of the video. Behind the scenes, they were just told off with their cold feet protest. Follow these tips and your snake plant will go from stick figure to leafy legend in record time. Like, comment and subscribe or risk being hissed at in your sleep. I don't make the rules, the plant goddess does. If you'd like to support the channel, purchase this coloring book called The Crazy Plant Lover Coloring Book by Minnie Huang, co-produced by your very own crazy plant lady, me. If you want to know how to encourage your snake plant to prevent your snake from leaning, drooping or bending, watch this video here. See you next video.